Hello anyone, this is piece of double T beam. It will be a rail for my telpher that I set into in my workshop. I already make a stay and cross beam for this great beam, and another end of my workshop I to set a stay for beam. I make it a little different. I take a piece of this beam and then I weld together with water pipes, and I make it so to between these both stays I can set a tool room. So I want to get in my workshop that beam, and then I call for crane, and we will pick up the beam up to this cross beam and there, and then we will use a bolt and lock it.